Hello and welcome. Today we are going to draw a dog a simple way. First I'm going to start off with a stick-man body figure. Draw the head, the body and the legs. Just forget the arms. From this part, draw a round curve and do it again on the other side. Now draw 2 half circles on the top. Now place 2 dots in it and a round circle on the top. Now place 4 dots on each side. Now draw the ear. Last but not least, draw the tongue. And for decoration, draw a bow, if you like. Now I'm going to finish off colouring this now, so get back to me later.